All right, so what I want to show you today is conditional formatting. It's going to be under Format with Google Sheets, one of the features I really like. So what you can do is you can highlight where you want this with your column. You click Format, go to Conditional Formatting, and so there's different options that you have. Cell is not empty, all this good stuff here. You can do with text, do with dates. So right now we're going to do with numbers. So what I like to do, let's say I want to say if somebody failed, if it's less than a certain amount. So let's just do less than 15. All right, and then I want to change different colors to red. That looks good. And boom, it's right there for me. So now it makes it easier for me to actually see who did not do well in the test by giving me a color code based off of the format.